Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of March 28th through April 3rd in my horizontal planner, which I use for hand-lettered inspirational quotes. And the theme I'm going to go with, it's not really from a challenge or anything. I just, it's almost Sakura. Well, I mean, I guess it could be considered Sakura, which is cherry blossom season in Japan. And we have a flowering cherry tree in our backyard. And it can hit, depending on the weather, end of March, anytime in April. We're just starting to see some little buds on our cherry tree. Cherry blossoms are pink, but these look just like cherry blossoms other than the color. This is the Chonky Cat Washi Tape Set, one of the rolls from Washi Tape Shop. And I looked at this and said, that looks like blue, Sakura, but blue. So I want to use this. This is a weird kind of a roll of washi tape, the Washi Tape Shop. These are cut out, but these are not. So I'm going to show you how I use everything on the roll. And then for my attribute boxes, who to attribute the quotes to, I had pulled this roll of, these are called flakies or petals. I think I got this either at Walmart or Joann's, but these are individual blue petals, and what you do is stick them all together to form a flower, but they're so gigantic that I just haven't actually used them for that. But what I thought I could do is, there's enough room in here, and since this is like washi tape, I can write on it. There's enough room in here for me to write a couple lines of text, so I could write who the author of the quote is. So I'm going to use these. They're a little bit bluer than purple, but I think I can get everything to work together. So we're going to do more like clusters today. So let's get started on this. First thing I want to do is white out notes. And then I'm going to leave this week, and we're just going to build little clusters. So first, let's get this roll of washi tape open. And I purchased this. I know a lot of the YouTubers, they get washi tape sent to them from Washi Tape Shop. I purchased this. I just wait until I have some kind of coupon code, and then I go ahead and go and get mostly cat stuff that I can't resist. So, all right. So we'll get this open. There we go. And then I'm going to need my glasses for this, I think, because these cut lines are super hard to see. So this guy holding a fish, super cute. He's a little bit cut off, but I don't want to waste him. So let's see. I'm just going to start. I always start down here because I'm always trying to cover that up. But yeah, I guess I kind of need to, because I need to cover up that white out. So let's just start with a petal. So again, these are, I think they're flakies if they're like in a package and have individual pieces on a roll like this. I think they're called petals. But I mean, it's basically, and that one's got some adhesive on the back. Basically, they are washi tape. They're the same material as normal washi tape. Yeah, I'm not going to use that one. It's got that weird pink splotch on the back. Okay. So, and I find using my palette knife to get them off helps tremendously. So you can see it looks just like an individual flower petal, so you can stack them however you want. I just want them to kind of look like they're falling down the page. And then, like I said, we'll put the kitties kind of with them. So I just want to randomly put them at random rotations. And I'm just thinking I do want to go ahead and white out some of this green line that's underneath. I won't do that for every day, but I think for this one, I do want to do that. There, that's close enough. Okay, so then let's see here. This is a big one. I want something a little bit smaller than that one, I think. So let's go with this one. Look how cute these guys are. So super cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go every other. So this one I want to put over here. This, I think I want to go ahead and put this on a side where I can attach it. So let's go ahead and use this guy here with his side cut off. And I'm going to put him right at the edge of the page. And I think I might go ahead and put these petals, something I don't always put, usually I only put about 4 of the attribute boxes on there, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do all of them since these double as a design element. I think I want to go ahead and put them all, put them on all the days. And I want them to be under these stickers. So let's go ahead and put, like I said, just random rotations. So, and that way, whatever quotes I come across that I like that have the author listed, I can just go ahead and use these. So again, since that was pre-cut at the end of the washi tape roll, I am putting him way over at the edge. And then let's see if there's something else I can put down there with them. Oh, look at those two. And those two. Oh, those two are cute. Oh, there's his other half. Okay. Well, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave that one smaller. Okay, so let's come clear back over here and grab this long one. I don't have any other washi tape that's like this. It's definitely different. There we go. Let's try to put this one right at the edge here. Except I don't want to have to punch it. I'll deal with that. There we go. Okay, let's give it a petal. I'm going to go ahead and just let Saturday be partially covered up. I really need to put my petals down first. I'm just going to trim this out with my scissors real quick. Okay, so far so good. What do we have next? So I'm not throwing this away. I don't have the heart to throw these beautiful little flowers away, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to salvage them. So let's go ahead and grab the next one. I'm just going to use them all in order. So that one. So I just need to decide, I want to go side to side match? I think I want to put them every other. So let's go ahead and do this one down here. And another petal. Super cute. Okay, next is these. I think I want to put this one, do I want to put it up so Wednesday kind of shows through, or down? I think I want to put it up. This petal's a little smaller. See how this one is a little bit fatter, wider? I think it'll go better under that, since it's a little wider. I don't want to turn it exactly the same way as that one, so we'll turn it maybe a little bit this way. Okay, so now we're over to here. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. This is going to work out perfect because this one matches this one. So if I use him, these two here, and then this one here, that puts plenty of space between those. And then that is all the way around the washi tape, which is perfect. I think this one needs the petal up here because that's where it kind of tapers in. So we'll use this smaller one that I saved, and then we'll go here. Okay, and then last but not least is these two. And I'm gonna go ahead and trim off the edge of this washi and re-close it. But I'm gonna go around these flowers. So I'm just gonna kind of, let's just rip it. I wanna put the tape back on it. So I'm gonna rip it here. And then put that tape back on it. but I'm gonna put the tape on it down around the core here so that it doesn't stick to that sticker underneath, and that'll hold it shut. And then I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. So let's finish though with these guys. That one's up high, so maybe I'll put this one down low, and that one's up high. Let's put this one down low. And then one more petal. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it cover up Monday, I think. Awesome, super cute. All right, so now this piece of washi, I have my cutting mat. So I'm gonna peel these off and stick them on there and cut them out. And then then I have a bunch more little individual stickers. So I'm just gonna pull this off in chunks and stick it on my cutting mat, and grab my craft knife and cut them out, and I will be back. So now we have all these little individual flowers that we can sprinkle around the spread. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I'll build a little cluster down here in the corner too, because I still have a bunch left. And there we go. That is how I salvage all the little bits that aren't cut out of the Washi Tape Shop washi tape. So let me show you. Let's put it back in my planner so you can see it on the discs. And there we go. There is my blue Sakura spread with kitty cats using the Washi Tape Shop, one of the Chonky Cat Washi Tape rolls. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to set up a safe space for yourself for your hand lettering practice. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.